Hello everyone, myself Dr. Samia Hullanavar. I am a lead specialist at Elite Ayurveda. I am over here today to talk on a topic, weight gain during pregnancy. So the people are confused, doctor, how much weight I should gain to have a healthier child? And we have a mentality that the more the weight, the baby will be more healthier. Or let's say the fetus weight is more, if the child is born like 3 kgs or above, then the baby will be more healthier. Not exactly, it's not necessary. And second thing, why I'm talking about the weight gain is most of the people, or maybe the newly wedded, or maybe the who is 30 below, they are planning for the baby, or they are also sometimes postponing the baby even after 3 years, 5 years of marital life. Not only because they are not financially stable, they are also worried about their physical structure that could hamper their physical body, or they may end up with many other things. They may go out of the structure. The ladies will always have that, beauty conscious, and they are also like, when it comes to a lady, her hair, skin and the body weight related issues are at most concern as well, because the beauty the ladies crave for is always lies in these things. So if at all, if a lady does know how much weight to gain during the pregnancy, then definitely you will not go out of the structure. More interestingly, few of the younger generation people also ask me, doctor, how come only the celebrities could have really a good structure even post delivery? So I'll be say it's definitely possible with every woman. It all depends how do you plan. Maybe the celebrities, their profession demands they have to manage the physical beauty, so they give more utmost importance and they plan it very well, in pre-year. If they have to have a baby, they may plan it for a year, how to make their body ready physically. So they will be so much physically fit, they will make sure the body structure will not be hampered even post delivery. So every lady could do that. So first of all, you should know how much weight to gain during the pregnancy. It's not something that just because you have one more life inside you, you just keep eating extra calories every day. Not necessary. You should know how much to eat and how healthy to eat. I'll be covering up in my next video. Now I'll be talking only about how much weight you have to gain during pregnancy. So first of all, if a lady is underweight, let's say her BMI, body mass index, is less than 18.5, then I would say you can gain up to 13 to 18 kilos in your complete pregnancy, in that complete 9 months. Maybe it varies from trimester to trimester as well. So if a lady is a normal weight and they have a BMI rate of 24.9, within that range, then yes, you can gain from 11 to 16 kilos. Let's say if a lady is already overweight, 25 to 29.9 is their BMI, then you have to make sure you're not crossing more than 11 kg of weight gain during your throughout pregnancy period. So coming to obesity, you are more than overweight and your BMI is more than 30 and above, then you have to make sure you're not hitting more than 9 to 10 kgs during your pregnancy. So why am I saying this particular kg? So some people will also ask, doctor, just because I'm overweight, if I just gain 11 kgs, which is almost 8 to 9 kgs lesser than the underweight woman who is pregnant, so will that affect my child? Definitely not. But you have to make sure you should also know what are the complications of being on a obese or overweight. When you have a overweight or obesity, why am I telling you this particular kilograms of weight gain is, you should not end up with a gestational diabetes, maybe increased hypertension, which will in turn also lead to preeclampsia, where you may start bleeding in midterm, maybe before your delivery dates, and you will most of the time you will end up with the cesarean section, that is LSE is what we say. So you will not be able to have a normal delivery just because your physical structure is not cooperating, your body weight is not cooperating for your uterus to deliver a child normally. So these are the kilograms. So if you want to make sure again gaining only this particular kilograms as mentioned will take care of a healthy baby, definitely yes, you no need to worry about it. And this, if you plan in this way, I would suggest you at least 3 months before to the pregnancy, up to 6 months also, you can make your body prepared for it. start with a very good exercises, make your body more flexible and get yourself into a normal weight, then yes, you can gain up to 16 kgs. That will be more easy to lose also post delivery. And you should also have an idea like how to lose weight post delivery. And interestingly, somebody asked me recently, doctor, as you said, like 13 to 16 kgs and all we may gain depending on the BMI index. So where does this weight go actually in our body when we get pregnant? Like where all it could distribute? So that's, yes, that's a good question. Let's say I will not be able to tell you exactly where all it goes, but I can give you a brief idea on it. Let's say when you start, there are many hormonal changes happen in your body when you get pregnant, and your body naturally start preparing for the post delivery also. Your kid needs what all the nutrition. For example, the larger the breast size, it may put on from like 0.5 kilo to 1.5 kilo depending again on the weight of or a particular physical structure of an individual. Maybe your uterus may gain, like it may extend, a larger uterus, it can go up to 1 kilo. And your placenta could be around maybe 700 grams to 800 grams. And your amniotic fluid, which takes care of your baby inside your womb, may go up to 0.9 kg, sometimes 0.8 to 1 kg as well. And there will be a change in your definitely your blood volume as well. That could go 1.5 to 1.8 kilos. And there could be an increase in your overall body fluid because you start having more fruits, water as well. So there will be an increase in your that volume also of the body fluid. So that could go up to 1.5 kg, maybe from 900 grams to 1.5 kg. And your fat also, the fat stores will also increase. That could go from 2.5 to 3.5 kg as well. So this is how your body weight will start distributing. And some more things to specifically to say is, in the first trimester, if you are like a normal body weight and all with no other complications, then I would say in the first trimester generally you can put on up to 2 kg or 3 kg of the weight. After that, every week, like in your second and third trimester, every week underweight person can gain 0.5 grams, like 0.5 kg, 500 grams every week. The person who is underweight, if at all, if you are overweight or obese, every week in this from the fourth month, that is second and third trimester, every week you should be able to put on maybe like 0.2 to 0.3, like 200 to 300 grams per week. If you keep that as a target, then you can, so that accordingly you can plan your calories. You no need to start eating everything, maybe like 300 to 400 calories a week you can just start giving extra along with whatever you were eating before getting pregnant. That should be more than sufficient to reach the weight gain, whatever I said in the before, depending on your BMI, 13 to 18 kilos, maybe 11 to 16 for the normal person. So if at all, if you are aware of this knowledge, how much weight to gain during the pregnancy and where all this weight will be distributed. So you should know, like post delivery, all the weight will just not go, only the placenta will go, your fluids will start reducing, your uterus tries to come back to the normal size, but the breast remains the same, maybe the fat remains the same. That's why you will not lose immediately as soon as you deliver the baby. It takes time, and yes, it again points back to your diet and exercises. Hope this has given you an idea how much weight gain is very much necessary during pregnancy. I'll be talking on many other topics related to pregnancy in my other videos. Thank you.